This is how to use the eraser feature in FlipaClip. I'm going to make a new drawing, so I got my pen ready. So I'm going to make a little drawing of a man here with his arm sticking out. Okay, there's my picture. Now I don't like these little overlap rough edges here, and I want to clean them up, so I hit the erase button. I'm going to come down here and change the size of the eraser. I'm going to bring it down. I want to make it roughly 23 points as an example. So I'm just going to pinch and change the picture, enlarge it a little bit so you can see here clearly. Just wiping that across and just erasing it. It's pretty simple. No rocket science here. Just got to be careful, that's all. Now I'm still not happy with the neckline, so I want to clean that up. So I'll just take some more ink, kind of fill it in like that, and then with the extra amount, I'll just re-erase the little bit that's sticking out there. As you can clearly see, I have a near perfect drawing. Now that his arm is sticking out, I want to have my cartoon character hold something. I could draw a penny, but I'm going to instead use a photograph of a penny and put it right there. So go to the corner with the 3 dots and click that, but first make sure you're on the right layer. So hit the 3 dots, hit Add Image, Photo Library. That takes you to your photographs, and I'm going to hit this penny. It happens to be upside down, but that's not a problem. I'll fix that in just a minute. So let me pinch it a little bit bigger. And what I want to do is erase all that gray background and leave only the penny. So to see close up, I just erase this little bit like that. Just carefully wiping across that line. That white is the background where there's nothing now. And as you can see, that's part of the drawing underneath. That can be a little slow and tedious. Another way to do it is go to the paint bucket feature. Click that slider. Make sure that slider is all the way down from that side there. And then as you do that, when you fill, it fills the whole area with nothing but clear. So that makes it a whole lot easier. To fix the penny, go to the lasso button there. Circle around the penny, and then with that little dot there, you want to rotate that, and the penny spins wherever you want it to go. To change the size of the picture, just move these dots in the corners. You can just move the whole thing over into the place that you want it to be, and get it exactly perfect there. Wonderful. Now, I want to make that penny lighter. On the eraser menu is an alpha button. You want to hit that and slide that. I want to make it 50%. And I'm going to make the dot bigger too, much larger, so that when I go on there, it erases all the penny but only 50%. And if I do it again, it'll erase more. And as more I keep doing it, the more it will erase. So you can get a graduated tone that way if you want. If you don't like it, go back and hit the undo tool. Something else the eraser does, you don't have to have a sharp edge. Sometimes you want a soft edge. Let me lower the brush to small again. And then use your fade button. But first, let me put alpha back up. Then hit the fade, slide that up, and the higher you go, the more blurry the edges will be. I'm going to put the fade up to about 80. When I do this, you can see instead of a sharp line, it's a rather blurry line, which can come in handy in certain applications. If I want to make some fine-tuning erasing, reset the fade and the alpha buttons. Make your brush size smaller, down to 1 point you could, and then, whoops, I'm on the wrong layer. So this way you can just do some fine-tuning, a little detail erasing if you need to. If you have any other tips, put them in the comments section below. Thank you very much.